Good morning from a very cold, brisk and icy morning here in Moray. Just on my way to Elgin Library to meet Jenny and Lucy, and they're away on a cold epic December adventure, and it's going to be ace. Doing the same route I did a few weeks ago, about 40 miles, 2,000 feet of elevation roughly, from land through the forest down towards the coast and back in towards Elgin. So thanks for pressing play. Come along, enjoy the journey. I know I will. Hello! How you doing? Morning, ladies. Alright, yourselves?
It's cold.
It's freezing. Whose idea was this, by the way? I'm just going to say.
Oh yeah.
Who have you got today?
Bear. This is Bear.
I'm a bit worried. Sorry, how icy it was, I think. Oh no.
I
We'll be
know.
alright. We're fine.
Well,
right. And then just follow the... We're going to get muddy today. Straight on. So sorry. Just follow the path all the way to the end. Woo, that was skitey. Muddy. We'll see you later. Where are you going? We'll see you at the end. Oh no. I've still got my camera on. Hi guys, how you doing? Alright, thanks. Jenny's just making up her own route. Where is she? What's the shoes?
yeah.
You're not fancying the gravel side of it, no?
I did. I've even got on the camera, on the thingy, and I just was like, there's another.
Yeah. Wet they are.
I know, you can just, that's the thing, you just stand up wheels.
I mean, especially when you're clipped in, trying to get your feet out in time.
Oh, that's a panic, isn't it? I think that's my thing about following. It's not really so much the follow, but as it's on clipping.
Yeah.
Like kitchens, just the other side. Like it's
Yeah, it will be.
We're on top of it. I'll grab them today.
There's a stone circle up here. And I don't have my big drone, but you can see it goes right round. Same this side. Proper old stone circle. What a day.
Yeah, it seems like it's hard, like you have to get through the old woods to get into the walk to another
So I've just crossed over the main A96. Quite busy on a Sunday morning. Straight across over a little mound, and we're up onto this trail that will take us towards Milton Duff, back onto the road before heading into the forest up towards Califer. So far so good. Everyone's having fun. It's not hard to have fun though when you're cycling a bike, is it?
I can breathe again. Sweet fresh air.
Hello, thank you.
No, I feel like I've had so much more breath lately. It's really good.
That's beautiful.
Last time I came here was when you were pregnant with me. Oh yeah, we cycled up here, didn't we? When I was like,
Wow, that's amazing. What a view. I can't believe that's Clyde.
I know, and the cameras won't pick it up. You know what I mean? Like we just.
It's cold. Freezing.
I just lose my jumper.
It's so cold down here. We just came down from the hills and I can't believe how warm it is in the forest compared to down here. We're just on the road between Forest and Findhorn. And we might stop for a quick coffee. Warm the cockles. I'm not sure why they're walking. Why are you walking?
It's scary.
It's scary.
It was just the way that the rocks at the top and then it just disappeared.
It does drop. I should maybe pre-warned you.
That was funny. I was like,
I just heard, how did you do that?
I was like, where'd you go?
Now we're on to the moon section. Woo! Right, one-handed is not good. Okay, camera's gonna wait. Oh!
On the moon.
It's Birkhead, we're going to be there soon.
Just
First one to go through. That's probably the best explanation I've ever heard of that, so yeah.
We'll leave it up. And hopefully that.
Stunning. Such a cool noise. That was Sandy.
No, you're not to follow my face when you're filming.
Did you get your cleat in?
Oh, no, I'm quite happy using it like a balance bike at the minute.
I round that bit and then I saw that bit and I was like, stay out the route, I hit the route. Hence the scream.
That was a good scream.
Yeah. It got me through though.
It did. That's more like it, the kind of foresty trails. Oh, gone. Yeah, I can definitely smell whiskey.
Yeah, I thought either that or I was having a stroke. I was like,
Well, that's us in the Broch, also known as Birkhead. And we're on the tarmac. Woohoo! Tarmac.
wow, seriously. So good.
Decided we're going to miss out the Moray Coastal Trail along between Holtman and Lossy, and we're going to head for Duffus and visit Kula. Hopefully it's open, get a hot chocolate. Funny seeing it from up in the Califer viewpoint, because I thought it was a lot closer.
I was just on the water. Yeah, I know that's the walk.
Okay, we're almost at Kula Coffee at Duffus Castle, and we're debating if it's actually open. Oh, I see the sign. The lights are on. Yes, it's open. Woohoo! Hot chocolate time. Hot chocolate time. I'm ready for hot chocolate. My fingers, my toes are cold. Yippee! Oh yes. Oh man.
I'm just going to
It's so cold. These days.
get a close up of the fire. Oh, look, it's warm. I'll take it.
Get that hot chocolate.
I know, now that I've seen one with cream on it, you're like, maybe I should have.
I think you've earned it.
I mean, they are ski gloves, to be fair.
I just paid for the seal, got the seal skins ones with the heated thing inside them.
yeah.
So like 200 quid, but they were down to 100. I thought, I can't, the price?
The roundabout.
Yeah, the roundabout.
Okay, like at the back of the housing estate.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, I know it will.
Towards the Buccaneer kind of.
Yes.
Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, that's good.
And they're off home. So am I. Ready for home. Oh, smells good in the humble burger. Yeah. Well, ladies, thank you very much for coming out. Thank you all for watching. I'm heading home now. It's time to wash the bike. The hot chocolate at Kula was epic. We missed out the Moray Coastal Trail between Holtman and Lossy purely because Lucy's not done much gravel riding and it wasn't fair to take her down something so technical. It is cold, so we made the most of it. Fingers crossed you've enjoyed this video. Like I've said, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, drop some comments below. And if you'd like to come out with me and do this ride, well, let me know. I'd love to show you. Adios.